Mr. Gotta go, Mr. Gotta run, also 100 on corner, Mr. No!
Did the perpetrator go off in this corner? Hey, John,
really
care. I'm talking to
what he
you.
has to say.
Are you even listening to me?
Damn it, Rob.
Why don't you ever look at me when I'm
Damn it,
talking
Rob.
to you?
I told you
that I love you,
times.
but you don't listen
That
to me.
wasn't my money.
Fuck you too.
What the fuck were they talking about? Oh my god. Talk about pointless conversation. Okay, back on duty. All right. So I just gotta sneak up on him and take the panini recipe. I guess where is it? I lost sight of it.
How many times do I have to hang around this street with this damn panini recipe?
Really sneaky.
What the hell?
I gotta.
I'm so boring.
Okay. I'm safe. I have my panini recipe. And what? Everybody, you go over there. You over there. You gotta find the panini recipe. They're always after my damn panini recipe. Oh shit! Now there's a big snake.
37 found panini thief. Found, I repeat, found panini thief recipe.
Wait.
Of course, registered into databags.
Okay, that's it. They're bothering me right now.
Must eradicate. Stick probe up ass.
She fell down.
Must stick probe up ass. Hey, you. I'm gonna stick my probe in your ass. Bend over.
Really quiet.
Nothing will stop me when I'm going to. What?
Oh shit!
New
I got his
victim
attention.
for probe.
Oh crap!
Gonna
You
stick
know what?
up
You're really
ass and
fucking.
up.
Oh. Yeah, take that, you pork lickler. Pork lickler. Hey, wait! Calm down. Hey, do you know where I can get a good panini recipe? Hey, how about this? I pawn you this for a panini recipe, you know? You don't have to give me it now. I'll take it later. You're welcome. I'm gonna go take a piss. What the hell's going on here? Oh shit!
There she is. Get her.
Stole the
She's the one who stole the
We have
panini
found
recipe.
panini
And I'm
thief.
going to
Must insert rod.
Okay, just gotta calm down. I mean, how far can 5 pictures of my ass go? I mean, I sent one line to that guy. I didn't know what he was gonna do. I mean, a stranger asked you online for pictures of your ass, and now I don't have any idea where they're going. I mean, where the hell's the guy gonna do 5? What if a bunch of girls see them? They're probably posted online with your name, your birthday, and your social security number for all to see.
That's really not helping, Clank.
You are such an ass. I mean, how much worse could it get?
Oh no! Let us all rejoice and greet the one who posted pictures of his ass all over the internet. What a sucker! I mean, how big of a jerk do you have to be to post pictures of your ass online? He sent me 5 pictures of it. Can you believe it?
My ass.
Oh, I sent them all over online. I even sent them to his mother. Wait, what's that? Oh my god! Yeah, I think I found the ass guy.